So this is the massive video I want to talk about. I think this is the earliest I have been in this current bull market. And what I'm talking about is this. As you can see here, we have these coins, which are meme coins on Soneium. Now, what is Soneium? Soneium is basically a layer 2 blockchain on Ethereum made by Sony, powered by Sony, which is basically huge, and no one is yet talking about this, but I can guarantee that there will be people talking, because this will be huge. And why this will be huge is because here you can see basically this account is the alpha. I would suggest you to follow if you want to learn more about Soneium. Now, Japanese-based brands are building with Soneium. Here you can see Konami, Yamaha, Mitsubishi. I mean, read yourself. Huge brands basically are building. And this is just a beginning. Here you can see more brands. And these are probably some huge corporations, Japanese corporations that have many brands under them. So that's basically the first thing. And this is not yet the opportunity. The opportunity is here, what I will talk about right now. So these are the leaderboard of meme coins on Soneium. So why I am bullish about this is because here you can see the market cap ranking. The number one is, for example, Sonjiro. The market cap is only $40,000, which means, for example, if you invest $5 or $10, let's take, for example, $5, and this goes to 100,000, it is around 2x, you get $10. If this goes to 1 million, which is super low for meme coins, you will already be at basically $100. And if you look at that fact that biggest meme coins on, for example, every chain has around $100 million in market cap, even $50 million, this basically would mean that from $5 investment, if this goes to 1 million, you have $100. If it goes to 100 million, that is $10,000 from a $5 investment. So that's basically what I'm talking about. This is huge opportunity. And why I wanted to make a video is because basically everyone can afford to put $5 or lose $5 basically buying these meme coins. And by the way, this video is not a financial advice. I am already telling you that everything can go to zero, but as I understand, and I have done my research, I think these are the biggest meme coins on Soneium. And again, the market caps are like hilarious because these are so low market caps. And for example, there are even meme coins that are $6,000 in market cap. If you, for example, invest $10 in this one, it goes to $60,000 in market. You already have $100. If it goes to $600,000, you have $1,000. If it goes 6 million, you already have, I think, $10,000. So what I'm telling you is that these are so early. There are absolutely no one talking about these. You can search on X, just type Soneium meme coins, or on YouTube Soneium meme coins. No one will be talking about these. And I think these are actually the first meme coins. But first of all, before you try to buy them, and I will actually show you how to buy them, if you want to get a fee for basically trading, you can do this. You can go on points, because you will actually qualify for an airdrop if you trade on this platform. So you go on points, go right here on referrals, and you will be able to, in this traders tab, add a discount code, add 555. You will get a 5% discount on all buying and selling. If you buy and sell NFTs, you will get a 5% discount on all transactions. So that's the first thing. The second thing, if you are looking to buy these meme coins, for example, put some $2, $3, $5 in these lowest ones. That's what I will be doing. Watch you how to understand, and I will tell you about this. Basically, here you can see one of the creators. I think this is one of the founders of the Soneium. He's building, as you can see here. he actually did an interview with Laura Shin. Follow her on X. This was a nice podcast, the whole podcast on her profile. So what he did is basically Sony won't allow you to create a IP, basically the meme coins that are copying IP rights. For example, Sony guy, don't invest in this because it includes Sony name. Don't buy PlayStation because Sony owns PlayStation, and they will be blocking all of these meme coins as they already blocked, I think, Toro. For example, this Dorco was actually a Toro, and they basically blocked this meme coin. Many people lost their money. That's why before you invest or buy some of these, if you want to, do your research, and you can find some alpha on these accounts. There was this one account that shows you which meme coins they will be blacklisting. For example, I think Sonjiro, again, search. For example, you can go on ChatGPT and just write Sony Sonjiro, and you will see if they have some connections with this. Intern is not related to Sony. Intern is basically this account, Soneium Intern, which is the Alpha channel. That's why I will be personally buying this. Yep, most likely is not connected with Sony. That's why if you see someone using Sony name or PlayStation 1 or Toro, because this cat is a trademark IP of Sony, and they will most likely not be supporting, they will be blocking. And that's the one thing that you have to know about this chain, that they can block projects. This is not the totally decentralized chain. If you know about VV NFT, VV Ecomi NFTs, you will understand this is quite similar, but this is a blockchain, and these basically meme coins is such a huge opportunity in my opinion. And for example, you can even buy each of these for $5. Maybe these projects, these meme coins will change their name or just rebrand. That's another option. Just buy $5 of each of these, and you can basically wait until some bullish thing happens and this goes through the roof. Maybe this goes to zero because again, everything is possible in crypto. But again, I think this is the biggest opportunity that I have found. No one is talking about this. That's why if you want to get earlier, because I am also posting on Patreon, and this video will be first on my Patreon. So probably 24 hours after I post on Patreon, I will post on YouTube. So if you are seeing this on YouTube, you are late. You can follow my Patreon. Links are in the description. So what I want to talk about is if you want to get some alpha about Soneium, what I am personally doing, I am following these accounts. For example, here you can see Build Soneium as Astar Network. He's talking about Soneium. As you can see, he's one of the builders. Tatsu Sota Watanabe. So basically, if you want to get alpha first, and there's a high chance that these accounts are talking about some of the meme coins or reposting or liking or following. That's how I do my research. You just go deep, see what the founders, what the builders of the actual Soneium chain are doing, and follow their footsteps, and you will hit some big wins. That's what I'm doing personally. And here you can see the Sonify. This is the platform where you buy and sell and create the meme coins. They are actually doing an airdrop. So here you can see earn points for providing liquidity, trading, and launching memes. Right here, you will basically, the more points you have, the more Sophia you will receive in the airdrop. So the point farming ends in February 26th. It started in January 16th. So plenty of time. We are so super early. And now I will show you how you can bridge from, for example, I will show you how you can bridge from base to Soneium. So you go on this website called Relay, which is basically a bridge website where you can bridge from different layer tools. You can even bridge from Abstract, I think, to Soneium. Let's see. Yes, you can bridge also from abstract to Soneium. I will use base because I have some funds on base. Let's send, for example, 0.03, which is around $96. That's all I need. I will actually send $100, 103. So review, swap, and network cost only 1 cent, which is so low. That's the beauty of layer 2s. And you can send from abstract, from optimism, from arbitrum. There are so many Ethereum layer 2s. You can also send from Ethereum mainnet, but the fees will probably be like not 1 cent, but like $6 or something like that, which is quite low. Basically, if you know that 2021 was so crazy for Ethereum, the fees were crazy. So here you can see I actually bridged from base to Soneium. Here you can see the balances. And right now I can go to Sonify and I can start buying. For example, I want $10 of this. So let's write 0.01. How much that is? I don't know. So I have around $100, which is 0.03. So I have to write 0.003. Let's just swap, confirm swap. So confirm, transaction submitted. And let's see if yes. So I basically just bought the Sanjiro. I don't know if I'm saying it correctly, but right now I bought $10 worth of Sanjiro. I'll basically buy $10 worth of intern as well. 0.003. So, I mean, $100 is what I personally can afford to lose if this goes to zero. If some of these projects, some of these meme coins go to zero, I'm okay. If all of these meme coins go to zero, I'm still okay. That is not big money for me. I mean, I can afford to lose. And when I see upside so huge that you can make like $1,000 from $5 investment, that is insane. And again, many people will be tempted to put more. I would not recommend you to put more than you can afford to lose because still we are not in a proper bull run. If we don't get in a proper bull run, nothing in this chain will pump. We need a euphoria like in 2021 when you could get so many opportunities from basically projects like these. And here you can see I'm basically just buying. And again, if you want to get a 5% fee, enter my code 555 as I showed you right here. Points, referrals, and traders. And you can actually create your own affiliate code. Here you can create your affiliate code and you will just enter it. I mean, you will show your friends, your family. So, and if you don't, if you're not able to add this 555, maybe I have to create more referral codes. Hopefully not, but let me know in the comments if you can add the 555. So that's basically what I want to show you. And here is another, basically, here you can see on the DeFi Llama, the Soneium chain, you can see the total value locked is 24 million. And here you can basically follow the whole chain, how much money is basically spent, how much money is being transacted with on this chain. You can see the growth is quite slow right now, but I understand the retail is not here. Everyone is bullish on Solana meme coins. That's what I'm saying is we need an actual bull run. But again, this is one of these opportunities that I find it is so rare to find. And yeah, this is so early. So basically, I hope you enjoyed this video. This is one of the earliest alpha calls that I have found. Hopefully this plays out well, because I don't want my supporters and subscribers to lose money. But again, this is so new. I hope people will catch on. And if Sony does a great marketing, if they actually onboard the Yamaha, the Suzuki, all the brands, the fan base will come naturally. That I think is a 100% basically chance that it will happen. That's why I just hope for a proper bull run. So basically, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want get every alpha much earlier, because most likely people have already bought these meme coins, because I already showed this on my Patreon. If you want to get early alpha, follow my Patreon. Only $10 a month. The upside, in my opinion, is much higher, because you have calls like these. And yeah, if you enjoyed this video, press like, press subscribe, press the notification bell, so every time I upload, you get notification instantly and you don't miss out on alpha like this. So thanks for watching, and see you in the next